Good morning, ma'am.
Welcome, my young friends, to this morning session for the second time. And I look forward to hear your lovely voices as we get on with our oral project part 2. I'm sure the topic is very clear to all of you, and I need not repeat it. However, if you wish, I think one of you can again chat it down, please. I'll make a request. If one of you could just chat the topic again, so that at times it happens, if we look at the topic, something comes out of that topic, we start seeing points emerging from that written statement also. I don't know if it happens with you or not. Each time I would look in my question paper, I look at a question, some points emerge out from that. And another lovely place where the points appear to be coming are from the window. I do not know if it happens still with you. I do not know if it really happens with this generation as well. But I am reminiscing. I am reminiscing my own youth, my own class 11 and 12. And there were so many times that actually I would look out of the window and I would see some points coming from there. And I still remember, teachers kind of doubting me that do I have somebody standing out telling me all the points. So, anyways, that was that. And we come to we have to get 1 point each of advantage and disadvantage of the online school, online classroom teaching that's going on for you all. If you can make it very personal, it's going to be still better. If you can actually, talk on that. But good enough, you're all doing very well. I was so happy to hear all those points, and we'll go on. All right. I don't think so. Rhythm has been a part of us for any of the sessions, so I leave out her name. And do we have Ria with us? If Ria is with us, please be on the mic, Ria. Thank you, Tanishka, for putting the topic in the chat.
Ma'am, Ria is not present.
Acha, Ria is not there. Oh, I forgot to scroll down and see. All right, Ria is not there. Shivani, I'll invite Miss Shivani on the mic, please, to share her views.
Good morning. Myself Shivani Sharma, and through this platform, I would like to express my thoughts on advantages and disadvantages of online school. Pandemic has completely changed our lives. It has upgraded us with new technologies, new methods of management. It has its great impact on education system. Schools have totally modified their managing procedure. Now, I would like to speak on some positive points of online school. Online school is providing us online classes so that we can be updated with the syllabus, and we all are using this technology to its full in a positive direction. Real school is more time consuming than virtual, as for being physically present, it takes time to travel from home to school, but through virtually, we can connect just within a few seconds. And if anyone is having any health issue, then it is not possible for him or her to present in the school, but now it is possible that they can connect virtually. One more good facility that is provided by the virtual school authority is that we can pay our school fees online. It is very advantageous for us. We can prevent ourselves from going to crowded place such as bank in this pandemic situation. There are some negative points also of online school. Negative points are basically for those students who are having problems like they are not able to connect through, they are not having device through which they can connect. And nowadays network issue is also becoming a great problem, but we can resolve this problem by uh, providing recorded videos to those students who are facing network issues. So it is one of the major issue on which attention should be paid. Thank you. That this was Shivani sharing views with you all.
Thank you. That was wonderful signing off. I enjoyed the way you signed off, the way you ended. So I'm glad you updated yourself and wonderful presentation of your points. You're all coming out with wonderful points that we as teachers can actually, ponder over and understand. And I hope keep chatting your points. Okay. So when you write down your point, you have to think of in 3 words, 3 to 4 words. You need to put down your advantage and disadvantage. Thank you, Shivani. That was wonderful. I think Sunanda has also not been with us. So I now take the opportunity to invite Tanishka on the mic, please.
A very good morning to all of you. This is Tanishka Sharma holding the mic. I will be beginning with the disadvantages. We humans have a general perspective view disadvantages more than the advantages. With these online classes, the disadvantage which is coming to us is the adverse effect on health. Many students, teachers, and parents are facing eye problems, migraines, and many problems like that just due to being online. And one more thing, the teacher does not know whether the student is really online or has entered in the class and gone somewhere else. But every cloud has a silver lining. This online class or online school has given us the opportunity to believe and practice that school is not only about a building or any room. Many a times the students or children who are not having the fee or the ability to attend the school or go to school even study under a bridge, and nothing renders them from studying. And now we, the students or children of 21st century, have got this opportunity to study in an environment which is much more near to the word called 21st generation, and it suits more now. And it is always better to have something than nothing. And due to online school, there is lesser loss of our studies than we could have if there would be no more like this. We all will be having more advantages and disadvantages of online school in the upcoming time. But one more disadvantage is that some students use this medium for some bad motives. They share what they should not. They intend to show something which other students are not willing to see. So it's like online school has both pros and cons, but we have to manage with that. Thank you.
Thank you so much. I think that was a very crisp talk on online advantages and disadvantages. Thank you so much for sharing with us. I think the next turn would go to Miss Tania if she's with us. Tanya is with us? No, I don't think so. No? She's not been there with us, in fact. Tushar is with us? Kindly carry my message to these people. If they are not able to, if they are not logging into classes, then how will they appear for half yearly? I would not let them appear for half yearly because of the lack of attendance. They won't be allowed to appear for the exam. Half yearly exam will not be possible, and similar problem they may face, for pre-boards and for board examination. So Tushar is not there with us. Is Yash with us? Kindly take my message to him also in case he's not there. Alright, so I think from 12A I will now move back to 12B and I'll invite Aryan Yadav on the mic, please. I think he's not there too. Chirag Balian? No. So unfortunately, I have to again grant a 0 because this is the second time that the board project is on. Today is the second session. So, each time we don't appear, we get a 0. Absent means a 0. Not speaking means a 0. Himanshu is there? No. Deepansh is with us? Deepansh of 12B? No, he's not reported either. Is Isha there with us and can come on the mic, please? No, not there. Is Jatin there to take up the oral board project? No. May I invite Kavya to take up the second session of the oral board project? No. Is Krishna with us? No. May I invite Kushagra on the mic, please, to share his views?
Yes, ma'am, I'm here. My name is Kushak Srivastav, and I like to share my views regarding the advantages and disadvantages of online school with my school teachers and friends. As we know, the students of 2020 have been not able to attend school due to widespread coronavirus. So the government shifted the education system of India from offline mode to online mode. There are some merits of online school. At many aspects, online education proves very efficient and beneficial. We can have access to education and connect with our teachers from any part of the country. We just need a smartphone and a proper internet connectivity. Students can attend online lectures from the comfort of their home. Traveling cost is also very less because you don't have to travel to school to access the online education. Every good thing has a bad disadvantage, and it has as well. We cannot have face-to-face interaction with our teachers, which result in poor development and communication skills and personality development. In online school, students have a lot of freedom. They are free to join the classes or not. Sometimes they may or may not join the online classes. And it does not instill in the students to be self-disciplined and dependent. And they show no hard work. As a result, they do not study seriously. In an online platform, we cannot do practicals. As we know, practical help us to understand the concept of scientific topics more deeply. There are many major and minor disadvantages of online classes, but I believe in future we overcome this demerits of online school because in newer technology for students as well as the teachers, it takes time to properly replace our offline education. Thank you.
Thank you, Kushag. That was real eye-opening points and a lot of things that we need to look ahead and plan ahead and solve together. I think I enjoyed one of the points in the chat, and that was gave me an idea. Not that it is that point is not taken up actually in a discursive composition, but since we are in the talk session also, so I saw that one of you wrote a disadvantage and also at the same time how to resolve. So I think that was good. That is good for a talk session. But be careful when we'll be converting our talk session today into a discursive composition. You'll be putting it as a composition completely. Be careful. There, do not offer any solutions. There, you can, you may give a solution for maybe one or two disadvantages, but please do not give too many solutions on disadvantages. Otherwise, we'll end up writing one-sided composition again. Then we'll all fall into advantages. So that was just a word of caution, but very good in the talk session. I'm happy to see it in the chat because it's all opening our minds. This is a very practical talk session that I had thought of. I will end up learning such a lot today, as a teacher, so that I can plan better, I can devise my classes better, and so at your end, I'm understanding how a user feels, how a client is feeling. Thank you so much. That was wonderful. I think this would be time now to invite Mr. Manu on the mic, please, and hear what he has to say. Manu is with us today? No, Manu is not with us. I don't see him. All right. Could I now invite Navansh on the mic, please?
Good morning, all of you. I'm Navansh Mishra, and through this platform of online class, I would like to express my views on advantages and disadvantages of online class. This pandemic has totally changed the system of our education. This pandemic has proven our education is not limited under the four walls of classroom. It is beyond classroom. So firstly, I would like to express my views on the advantages of this online classes, that students have the freedom to juggle their careers and school because they are not tied down to a fixed schedule. In a traditional classroom settings, class meetings times are set and the student has no power over this, forcing them to work their schedules around these dates. Most who choose online learning tend to have other commitments and prefer this mode of learning as it gives them power how they will delegate and their time towards their different projects. And this one of the most important advantage of this online classes is that online classes can is costless due to a variety of reasons. For example, there is no cost for commuting, assorted costs that are related to transport as a fuel, parking or car maintenance, and public transport, etc. People which from any part of India or from any part of world can join these online classes, and as this online classes have some advantages as well as some disadvantages. So the very first and the very common disadvantages of this online classes, we cannot prevent cheating types problems, because most of the students use to switch off their videos and mute their mic, and what are they doing we can't know, because their videos is off and their mic is mute, so we can't know. And the second most very disadvantages of this online class is social isolation. For example, if a new student has been taken admission in our class, so if we are attending our school classes, so we can make a bonding and some types of connection with him. But through this online classrooms, we cannot make such type of strong bonds and connection with the students who has taken admission in our class. Thank you.
That was wonderful. I think the psychological aspects very well covered up and brought out. That was wonderful to hear the young minds speaking up. I'll move to 12A and we'll take this opportunity to invite Aaron on the mic, please.
A very good morning to all. My name is Aaron Singh and I am from 12th Humanities. First of all, I would like to thank our honorable teacher, Mrs. Alini Singh, to give me this wonderful opportunity to speak for some time with all my dear ones. So my today's topic is online classes and their disadvantages and advantages. So as we all know that in day-to-day life, online classes are becoming more and more popular due to this pandemic, and because everybody in this world wants to be perfect and updated. But according to me, it is good in a plethora of ways, but it is also bad in some reasons. First of all, I would like to share some disadvantages of the topic. Online classes usually doesn't require face-to-face interaction with classmates and teachers, and information on assignments are posted online and may be completed even without having class meetings. While I support the leisure writing concept, it is nice because for that student have to use its interpersonal skills along with its education knowledge. And apart from them, when a student is sit in its classroom, he or she be required to speak through their mind now from the not from the Google. And they also improve their personality by giving presentations, speeches, debates, etc. And in the same way, if we talk about online classes, it contains none of them. Now, I'd like to share some advantages of the online classes. In some ways, the distance is greater between us and our regular teachers because we are not sitting in our regular classes, but in other way, we have such easier accesses to reach them. When we ask a question in class, the teacher have to consider other questions that need to be answered. Thank you and have a nice day.
Oh, thank you. Yes, I had muted my mic. I'm sorry because there was some vendors calling out for sabzi at my end, so I thought that may disturb, so I had muted. It's such a pleasure to hear your views. That was so lovely, so wonderful views that were presented just now also by Aaron and each one of you. I am delighted. I'm enjoying this session such a lot, and I'm sure I'm enjoying it more than you all, in fact, because I'm getting to. It's like my throat is getting rested and my ears are being treated to your lovely views and to your lovely voices. I'll move on and I'll invite Annie on the mic now.
Good morning, myself Annie. Here are some disadvantages and advantage of online school. Advantage: this is helping the teacher to as they get the communication with their students and share knowledge. Allow you to study at your own place. You can use competitive exams at the same time you learn the lesson. Online school helps the teacher and student to learn new technologies. And my disadvantages: sometimes students and teachers have to raise the problem of network. Communication with teachers is often limited. Thank you for listening me.
Thank you so much. We enjoyed listening to you and your presentation of your points. Thank you so much. Now would be the time for Anukha. I hope Anukha is there with us. We would
Yes,
hear what
ma'am.
she has to say from Ladakh. All right, Anukha, mic is all yours.
Good morning, everyone. I, Anukha Shah of Class 12th A, is here to share the advantages and disadvantages of online classes. First, I'll start with advantages. Advantages: it saves our convenience time, which we can utilize to study. Disadvantages: in case of understanding, it's not as clear as live classroom and blackboard session. Thank you.
Uh-oh, that was quite crisp. And well, you brought out your version, your point, so that's so good. And I don't see the chats moving. I'm still waiting to see the 1A and 1D. All those who are through with, because I'm actually marking you in my register and I'm waiting for the points to come on the chat. It's only once you have put down your point on the chat and as short as possible, in a phrase, 2 to 3 words. So that completes my marking in my diary. So please carry on with the chat presentation. 1A and 1D from those of you who already had a share. It's time now to invite Atul on the mic. It's all yours, Atul. Do we have Atul here?
Yes, ma'am. Having some problem in his device.
Acha,
That's why I'll
oh,
not be able.
acha, acha, acha. Okay. All right. Yes, I know I got a few messages saying that some of them had problem even in the earlier session. So, all right, we'll wait for Atul in case he's able to get over with that. Yes, those of you missed out the time in the morning and you've asked it me, you've requested me, I will take you up, but after the turn of the other person is over. All right, I will accommodate you, those of you attended now, but as of now, I'll move on. And we have a young lady from Ladakh again, so mic is all yours, Biscuit.
Good morning, everyone. I, Diskit Angmo of Class 12A Humanities, is here to share the advantages and disadvantages of online class. First, I will start with advantages of online class. It improves our technical skills. Like earlier, we didn't know how to use the Zoom app or the Google Classroom app, but now we know how to use these apps through online class. So it improves our technical skills. And the disadvantage is that online class require good time management. Like earlier, we didn't used to have a fixed timetable, but thankfully now we have that. And one should be punctual at attending the class, be it students or teachers. That's all from my side. Thank you everyone for listening patiently. Here I, Diskit Angmo, is signing off.
Thank you, Diskit. That was again wonderful points, very practical points you brought out. It will be now the turn. It would now be Karthik's turn to be on the mic and share his views. Karthik. I think we are all enjoying that music definitely, but I'll request Isha to kindly mute her mic, please. I hope I'm audible. I have invited Karthik on the mic, please. Karthik, am I audible? He's there with us. Could anyone find out if there is some problem at his end?
Yes, I'm chatting him. I'm waiting for his reply.
Achha, all right, all right. All right. Well, while we wait for Karthik, and we are still waiting for Atul also, he also said he had a problem. Do we have Paki with us? And we can move on with Paki. Paki is not there. Do we have Robiro with us? Then I can invite him on the mic, please. No, we don't have Robiro here with us. All right, then do we have Saqib with us? Do we have Saqib or Saqib? I really have to understand the pronunciation also of his name. Is Saqib?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. May I invite Saqib on the mic, please?
Hello. Hello.
Yes, Saqib, we can hear you.
Good morning, everyone.
Uh, Good morning, everyone. I'm Saqib Khan. I'm here to share my regarding online classes. The pandemic has Good morning, everyone. I'm Saqib Khan. I'm here to share my views regarding online classes. The pandemic has severely affected every sector of life and education too. Online classes has some advantages and disadvantages. The advantages are we can access to online classes from home and anywhere where we are. Second, it is very helpful to submit assignment and work through Google Classroom, WhatsApp, and many more online sites. Um, the online classes are scheduled through Chrome and Scholaro apps, and it is very easy to access. And this hello, disadvantages. Hello.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Disadvantage: major problems, connectivity and network errors, which is a major drawback of this online classes, as we are connecting and disconnecting many times. We're connected and disconnect many times as hello. And this is a very second. It is also affecting our health. Sitting on phones for longer hours is affecting our health, eyes and health, physical health, as we are constantly sitting in the same position and attending classes. We are not getting any physical contraction. So these are some major disadvantages. Thank you for listening to me.
Thank you. That was wonderful. And in spite of a lot of disturbance being caused, you could carry on. And I really, really must congratulate you and appreciate you for your confidence that, yes, it does happen in our life, children, that, we may be disturbed by a lot of things around us. And like I said, these classes are actual, this is a laboratory. Somebody did say, we are missing out on laboratory lab. Right. Yes. For maybe some subjects you are, but for English, we just have the lab as well here, where you're learning to talk, you're learning to, improve your speaking skills and writing skills, and also how to survive when we have storms waging outside, when we may have some elements or some disturbances, because our life will never be smooth. Pandemic has just proved it. We'll always have many, many storms coming up. Idea would be how to cope up with it and how to carry on without letting anything affect us. So that was wonderful, Sakib. I think, yes, we do have time. I'll now move. Please now invite Steffi.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. I am Steffi Masi of Class 12 Humanities. Live from my home, I would like to share my views on the advantages and disadvantages of virtual school. As we all are facing a lot of study troubles in this pandemic, but online class gives a best possible way to study. No need to travel, saving both time and money. We can easily connect from each and every place. It's a very great platform for shy people to interact with everyone as they face problems of speaking in front of a person, but through this platform, it helps to develop their speaking skills. You can also record the session and listen whenever you feel that you forgot all that you have studied. A great opportunity to revise again. It also has some disadvantages like a network issue, which is a very main disadvantage. And another is that less interaction between the teachers and students he or she is studying. But in online class, it is not so. Some students face a problem of device, that is lack of device. No curricular activities to freshen the moods. Sometimes students face health problems too, like eyesight weak and hearing problems too. But in spite of all these disadvantages, I would prefer that we should pay attention to online classes because this we can this is a best effort from our government and from our school, and this is a best way. So we cannot stop all these, and we can do. And thank you so much for listening me patiently.
Thank you, Steffi. That was wonderful. And I feel we should soon have some competitions. I think we can soon have some kind of uh, group discussions and some activities. I am thinking that we'll be using every Thursday for not only talking about our oral project, but in the oral project we will try and incorporate even and I'll be open to suggestions from you. Oral doesn't have to be all the time just a small speech or something, but there could be many other things that we can do under oral. I already have a lot of ideas and I'm open to any idea that you have. So every Thursday will be special for us, and we'll keep hitting two targets with one arrow. That's what I think we will go on to do. Thank you so much. May I now please invite Parush on the mic, please? Is Parush with us? No, I don't think so. I can't see him. Right. May I invite Priya, if Priya is with us? No. May I now invite Ria on the mic, please? I don't think Ria has also logged in. Is Unnati with us? May I now invite Unnati for her board project part 2? Vidhi, Vivek, Yash, and Yogesh. All right, so from I think we have less than a minute, and I think I'll invite Adarsh to take it up because he missed out in the first go. Adarsh.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, firstly, I want to talk or discuss the disadvantages of online school or online classes. Online school require self-discipline and time management skills. Ma'am, so many people, or even I have just thought that self-motivation is a barrier to participating in online classes, because we can all agree that self-discipline and time management are always at play when it comes to learning. Online classes involves less guidance from a teacher than traditional learning. We also get very less time of study in online classes compared to the classroom study. Another disadvantage of online school is also important that our face-to-face contact with fellow students and respected teachers is not getting possible. As we all know that practicals are very important in science or any other field, but we are not able to do because of online class. Ma'am, sorry to say, but for me, there is not a single advantages of online school except this that it is saving our 30 minutes of traveling. Thank you, ma'am.
Could you repeat your last point, except for?
Ma'am, except this that it is saving our 30 minutes of traveling.
30 minutes of traveling. Okay. So yeah. Thank you so much, Adarsh. That was good. Very well.